Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are at the Croatian premiere of the new Dacia Duster, and as you can see we have some cars around us, some of them already departed, but today's focus is this one. We are going on a point of view drive with the hybrid model. So let me show you quickly the design. It's got the all new look, CMFP platform and improved driving characteristics, electrification, and also, so not just mild hybrid but also this hybrid powertrain is available as well. Let me show you the side profile. 4 meters 34 is the length of the car. Again, very robust styling. Let's take a look from the rear. I love the details of those taillights. And let me also show you the trunk space. There we go, some additional room in here, and you can also do this, so very convenient. And yeah, now we are ready to go on a point of view test drive, and then you will see how smooth the drive is. So this is how it looks. Let's see it from driver's perspective. Let's go. All right, this is the view in front of the driver. Let me start the engine. And it's nice to have the AC on switches, and put the car to drive, and off we go. So let's start with saying a few things about this powertrain. This is the hybrid powertrain, one of the options for the new Duster. The new CMFP platform means we have better driving characteristics, but also electrification is now here. We have both the mild hybrid and the hybrid powertrain that we have here. 1.6 liter petrol unit, 2 electric motors and 1.2 kilowatt-hour battery. Combined output is 140 horsepower. We are currently in B mode. Now if I press it again, you go into drive, but I will show you now the B mode, because you see now we have the recuperation of energy. So I just release the throttle and the car starts to slow down. And let's also mention the other powertrains. So as I said, the mild hybrid now, 130 horsepower. You can get it with the front wheel drive or the all-wheel drive. And also there is the LPG version, which is very popular in many countries, including Croatia.
In 800 meters, turn left.
And we have the navigation here. And I will put it just a map view. I will not use the instructions. So as you can see, first impressions, very smooth drive, and also the CMFP platform means we have improved driving characteristics. And I also like the layout that we have here in front of us. Digital cockpit for the first time in Duster, and the main touchscreen is very nice, well built, nice quality. 10.1 inch one, and slightly tilted towards the driver by 10 degrees, and yeah, gives you the driver oriented feel when you are driving the car. And also what I love is the Duster lettering here in front of the passenger. I think nice and cool detail. And we will drive on country roads. We will also enter the highway, so you will see how the car performs there as well. And you may have heard the beeping sound. So when you have the new speed limit, the car warns you. Also when you go above the speed limit, then it will also warn you. It's the new law in Europe, so the cars need to have this. Of course you can turn it off if you want to. You just go to car settings and then here you have the driving assist systems. And what is cool about it is that you have this personal one where you can configure it yourself. So now it remembered what we configured on our way here, and we are now driving with this personal setting. And feels so good in the corners. And also there are various trims available. This is the Journey trim, and then you also have another top of the line trim, which is the Extreme, and it depends whether you want more like robust look that you have in the Extreme version, or you prefer like maybe more urban and city oriented look, I would say. And this is the Journey trim with the hybrid powertrain. And the car has got such a good value for money. The prices have just been released now here on the Croatian Premier. You can check them out in the description, but definitely great value for money, I think. And tell me in the comments what would be your choice of powertrain in this car. And you also have the eco mode here to be even more efficient. And the digital cockpit in front of the driver, you can configure some views here. So you see, this one is cool with charge, eco and power. And you can also configure what you see here on the right as well. Now we have the navigation turned on, so you can see that in action as well. Now we are on highway, 130 kilometers per hour. Also show you the lane assist, so working very nice. So this is 130 kilometers, and then I can also show you 100 kilometers per hour. There we go. so 100 kilometers per hour. And let's do a little acceleration. There we go. Alright guys, that's it. Thank you very much for watching this video. Do subscribe to the channel, as there will be a full in-depth review of the car coming soon as well. And tell me in the comments, how do you like the new Dacia Duster, and see you on the next one. Bye bye.